everybody, welcome to my channel, and guess what? We're doing the ad preview for Sunday, February 4th to Saturday, February 10th. I think it's actually a pretty good, not a great, but it is a pretty good week to shop at Walgreens. There's a lot of deals. I was going through the ad and I wrote down a bunch of deals, so hopefully you guys can still do the same coupons. But here we got the Hallmark. If you buy 3, you get 1,000 or 3,000 points. There are cards that are $2, so you guys could get some cards each for $1. I know there's a coupon that you guys can clip to your or clip to your card. I always have problems with that. So there's that. You might be able to get 5 or 3 cards for under $1. Here we have the Yellowtail wine. I'm not a wine person, so I'm not sure if this is a good deal, but they have it for $6.49. You guys want to buy 2, you pay $12.98. But then you guys would get a $5 savings reward, which I'm not sure what a savings reward is over a register reward. I see the savings reward always for alcohol. But you guys would get that. Basically, both of them would end up being $7.98 or $3.99 a piece. So if you guys really like wine, I think that's a pretty good deal.
No, that one.
M&Ms are
that one.
What one?
No, that one.
Okay, M&Ms are 2 for $5. There is a coupon for $1 off of 2 in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, we have a $1 off of 2 coupon in that we got from the manufacturer. So you guys will end up getting a bag for $1.50, which could be a pretty decent deal. Sorry, my son is wanting me to push buttons. Okay, the next thing I see right here is Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $1.99. We're going to be getting $1 off coupons, making them 99 cents. That is a great price. I always try to get laundry detergent, especially for under $1. You can't go wrong with that, so definitely do that deal. I'm hoping I get those coupons so I can do that deal. Not much going on for Valentine's Day stuff. They do have the Russell Stouffer's
Valentine's Day.
Okay, they're 2 for $1. You guys can get them for 50 cents a piece, which it could be an okay deal. It's great for like little Valentine's Day gifts. Now we're at the food. I think you guys are kind of sick of doing all these gum deals, so I'm just going to kind of skip it, but there is a 50 cents off a 2 coupon. Right here, they got Kind Bars, 2 for $3. Now, if you guys were on smartsource.com yesterday, I'm not sure if it's still available. I can't go and check unless I use the incognito mode, but that hasn't been working lately. But there was a coupon for a free Kind Bar. I was able to print 2 of them. I'm going to try to see if I can print some more, but definitely should go to smartsource.com and see if it's still up there. I have a feeling it's probably not, but you guys can get some free Kind Bars. Now we're in the food and drink area. Not a lot of great deals. Sorry, my camera is just not doing very well. Not a lot of great deals on that, but yeah. More food deals. Maxwell House is $2.99. I'm not sure if we have coupons for that. But here they got nice sandwich baggies, freezer baggies, 99 cents. That's a great price. And here we got Lindsay Olives. Now, they are 2 for $2. If you guys go to the Lindsay Olives website, I think it's like I Love Lindsay's or something, you guys can sign up to get a $1 off coupon. You don't get it instantly. I got it like an hour. You have to confirm your email, and then I got it like an hour later, but I haven't opened it up the email yet. So you guys can get a $1 off coupon, plus you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta. So those could end up being like 50 cents for 2 of them, which I think could be a great deal if you guys are interested in something like that. So I might do that. I'm going to probably do that deal. Airwick is $4.99. We did have some coupons, I think, for like $2 or $2.50 off that was available on coupons.com. They're no longer available anymore, but those were pretty decent coupons. All is a $2.99. We're getting a $1 off coupons, making them $1.99, which I think is a good price. Snuggle, $2.49. We're getting 50-cent coupons, making them $1.99, so that's a great deal. Very rare I ever see, you know, All and Snuggle for $1.99. Not much going on with the food, or not the food, but like the medication and vitamins and stuff. I think I forgot a deal. Yes, right here. Centrum vitamins are $6.99. There's going to be a $4 off online coupon. Plus, there is also a deal on Saving Star. So if you guys already chose that, definitely do that deal. It can end up being for free. Now, I'm sorry I'm going a little too fast. You guys can go to the Walgreens website and check out this yourself. It's available on Wednesdays, early ad. There's some medicines and stuff. Spend $30, you get 10,000 points. I'm not sure what kind of deals they got with that. Nexium, it says there's going to be a $4 off coupon plus a $5 off coupon, so it comes out to be $9. Here we got some Robitussin Dime Tap, $6.99. I think there's $3 off coupons for those. Okay, hold on, honey. Then we have the soft soap for $3.99, and there is a $3 off coupon on the Walgreens website, so you guys will end up getting that for just 99 cents.
Open it.
Okay, so for the next deal, they do have, you guys can't see it, I went to do the toothpaste or toothbrush deal. It comes out to be like $1 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but right here they got Revlon 2 for $6 or 2 for $5 after $1 off coupon that we'll be getting the Sunday's paper. There is a ton of hair dye on clearance I saw, so definitely check that out if you guys can use that coupon. Go for it. Axe body spray and deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys spend $15 or more, you get 3,000 points. I know we just got some coupons for that. Old Spice is also buy one, get one 50% off. There's a $1 off coupon. Spend 15, you get 3,000 points off. Aussie and Herbal Essence are buy one, get one 50% off. There are 2 off of 2 or $3 off of 3 coupons that we'll be getting. And then if it says if you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to get some of that stuff. Makeup right here, Revlon's also going to be on sale where if you buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Now that coupon does expire, I think, on the 4th. So if you guys are using that, you have Sunday is the last day to get the buy one, get one free mascara coupon. So just letting you guys know on that. Looks like Wet n Wild is going to be 50 cents off coupons we'll be using, and it's also buy one, get one 50% off, so there is that. And now we're on the last page. Sorry, I gotta move my screen. Not much going on with the last page. I mean, some cereals 2 for $5 and some's 2 for $4. There is a $1 off of 1 or $1 off of 2 coupons that you guys can usually print off of coupons.com. So there is that. Not much going on, but I think it's a pretty reasonable week. Some great deals. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.